He had nothing but a broken phone and a dream to escape poverty.
Join our family of dreamers. Hit subscribe now.
Every morning he asked himself, how do you make money when you have none? He found answers hidden in free Wi-Fi. Videos, charts, lessons no one paid for.
As you can see here, the green candle indicates a bullish trend, while the red signifies a drop in price.
Passing every lesson he learned. The first $40 felt like $1 million. Not because of the money,
But because it proved he could win. Success came fast.
and vanished faster. He lost it all in one bad trade. But he refused to give up. Every failure became his fuel.
He learned faster than ever.
Studying, practicing, analyzing every detail. And then, the first big win.
He wanted others to succeed too.
The progress you've made is remarkable. This interface is responding exactly as we hoped.
How do we scale this?
One step at a time. Focus on the core stability first. From homeless teen.
Self-made entrepreneur.
For the eat. Success isn't just money.
Proof that hard work pays off. And 3 years gone in a moment, the boy I was fades, and the man I am remains. Here's to the journey ahead. If he can do it, so can you. Hit subscribe and start your journey today.